Hello, and welcome to YouTube channel Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today, this lesson is your first Argentine tango lesson. We're going to work in the very fundamentals, which is the walking, and also we're going to take a look at the basic step, where it comes from, so you have a better understanding if you're a beginner.
At the end of the video, we're going to do the walk and the basic step with the music.
Get ready, let's start working right away.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor, ready to show you the first walk. We embrace, we keep the close embrace. Leader is walking in front of the follower, extending the legs. We keep going, try to reach back for followers. Leaders, move your leg first and then transfer body weight. And if you notice, we did the complete turn without stopping. There is no rule to stop, there is no rule until the leader decides, the music decides to stop. So we keep going all around, walking in front.
So this is very not controversial, but it's the easiest, the first one you should learn, and it's the hardest. It's the hardest to master. So if you're starting your tango journey, you will be working with this until you are in a very high level. You will still working on this to master it.
We'll show you one more time, see how we embrace. And the timing of walking, we try to walk together very much. Mostly what we are doing is extending the legs together and then transferring body weight at the same time. So we go 1, together 2, and 1 and 2, tall, and then roll your foot, tall, ball of your foot. And mostly for the follower, when we transfer weight, we keep the toes, ball of your foot, most of the time to feel the transition, to wait for next leg to extend or for the leader to walk. What we are not doing, followers, is extending and going to the heel by myself. This is the first mistake you will do for sure. So be conscious of that. We have this move with the ball of your foot 100% of the time. We don't go from here to the heel because that start pulling the leader.
Yes. So, and one of them, at first, of course, you want to coordinate and you don't want to step on your partner's feet. So at first, it's fine to do this in an open, even looking at it. Don't look too long because it may become a habit, but so you know that you are taking one step at a time. Yes. So the hardest part in this embrace is getting close. So my right rib cage in this case is connected with her left rib cage, and if you will put a piece of paper right here in our rib cage or our core, it should not fall to the floor. So we are like, I let go, taka. We always connected there. As soon as we disconnect, tak, tak, then the paper fell in the floor, you lost the game. So this is Caminada in Spanish. You will learn in any class at the very beginning, but try to master it. And now we're going to see what happens if we do Caminada, walking, on her right side.
On our right side, the rules are totally different. And this is the first rule of tango, Tango Argentino.
So I'm going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Just walking. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is an interruption of the walking. Do you notice? Now we'll explain what happened here.
As a follower, I will cross, going to the Cruzada, crossing my left leg on top of the right on the step number 4. So I feel he's walking on my right. 1, 2, 3. I know step number 4 is a cross, change body weight when he leads, and get ready to walk again with my right leg. This is a must, and this is the first rule for followers.
There are instructors that will teach you you should lead the cruzada. Some instructors should not lead the cruzada because this is a rule, and that's what we do. We teach that we should not teach the lead, sorry, not teach, lead the cruzada, it should land naturally because of the position of our arm, our embrace. 1, 2, 3. Step number 4, look at this position. She should land directly into the cruzada without the need of our right arm pushing her into the cruzada. 1, tac, tac, and we fit together. When we fit together, we rotate slightly as we change body weight. Let me rewind. Tac, tac, look, I will do this. And jack, yeah? So that is important. So we change and we keep the same leg. 1, 2, 3, cruzada, we change. If I will walk again like we walk at the beginning, in the center lane, she will not cross. We can walk forever until I walk outside. 1, 2, 3. Number 4, naturally we land into the cruzada and we can keep walking.
Why is this important to learn? Because later, tango is all improvising. Followers, leaders, improvisation. We listen to the music and we improvise. So if you know the rules of tango, you are going to be able to dance, improvise with any follower, any leader, if they know the rules.
In any part of the world.
Because, yeah, in the middle of the figures, you will have to keep the rules. You have to remember the rules to make it possible to lead one figure after the other and keep improvising, not doing choreography, not memorizing the figures or the steps. You get somebody to dance and you do all the fun steps and beautiful figures by improvisation, and it works if both know the rules.
This brings us to your first Argentine tango step. The most basic step in Argentine tango is called, of course, the basic step. And before that, we would like to mention that we have in our website, we have over 300 videos in lessons, very much in depth, from beginning, from very fundamental until very advanced topics. You will learn styles, musicality, steps, figures, you name it. And that is on our website, miriamleonardotango.com. And you can be a member of our website and you will have access to all of the videos, all of them, or you can purchase separately as a downloadable course.
Okay, now, all of this is going to bring us to the very basic step, but before the basic step, you should know the walk and the rules. So we'll show you the basic step for Argentine tango. Side step, walking on her right, she's going to the cross, uncross, and resolution or cierre.
One more time, let us rotate, you will see it. Side step 1, walk. Walk, we feet together, leader. We lead her into the uncrossing, front, side, and feet together to close the figure. And we're going to take an extra step with our right foot, just a tiny, to start all over again in case you want to do it over and over.
Good, this is called salida. The salida is the basic step. If you translate, will be exit. Doesn't make any sense, but this is salida. And the last part is a resolution, and we call it cierre. So we have salida and cierre.
So now we're going to show you how this figure and the walking will work with the music.